Hi guys, welcome to Last Minute Learning. Today the topic which we are going to study is sampling. How do we actually do the sampling for data mining? There are total four steps which are shown over here. Simple random sample, second is simple random sample without replacement. This one is with replacement. Stratified sampling. Now, as you can see over here, there are only the diagrams. Uh, I think that we can remember things through diagrams more easily than through the English translation or English words. Now let's start this. Now the first point is simple random sample. What does this do? As we can see that there are four blocks shown to us over here. The total this thing has the probability of 1 total. According to this, each box is having probability of 1 by 4. Okay. Now, in this simple random sample, we just simply take a sample from this whole data. For example, we took this. Okay. We took this as a sample. This is our sample. In second part, we can see that the name is simple random sample without replacement. Okay. Now what we do in this part is each is having probability of 1/4 as already told above. Okay. Now without replacement means that we take any particular thing from, for example, there is a bag. We take a red ball from it or any ball from it. The total balls before taking out that ball were 50 and now they are 49. Same is the case with this thing, this data. Their probability was total 1. When we remove a sample from it, the remaining would be this part left of the data. Then the probability of each one would be 1 by 3. So the probability will change according to the data we take from that data, overall data. Okay. The next data which would be removed from this would affect the uh, overall data. Like for example, we remove this as well. Then what will we get the probability 1 by 2 for each chunk. Okay. Now the third is simple random sample with replacement. As told you earlier, that was without replacement. Now in this the data is this much. Okay. And the total probability is 1, but each chunk's probability is 1 by 4. Now what we will do is that when we take as a data as a sample, we will exclude the part which we need, the important part which we need from it, and then replace that data again back to that data, that whole data. It will not affect the overall probability or probability of each chunk. It would not be now 1 by 3. It would be the same as 1 by 4. This is the simple random sample with replacement. Now the fourth part is stratified sampling. What it actually do is that it splits the data into chunks so that we can gather our important data. Now this data is split into young generation, middle age and senior citizens. Now the data which we are required is with the important data which we think it is important and is required for data mining. We will gather that data into a single data form. For example, this is like a set gathered together. Now this is the overall data which we will use for further data mining. Now what these actually four steps are doing is that they are reducing the size of data which is important for us and we can use it as a sample. I hope you liked this video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe my page. Until next time, goodbye.